Hello and welcome. In Windows we have something that is called the Run app. To open the Run app we press and hold the Windows key and then we choose the key R. We then type in the program that we want to open. When we open the Run app, the last program that we opened will stand as default entry. If we want to open the Run app with no default text entry, then we have to clear the history of the Run app. To clear the history of the Run app, we choose the Windows key and then we type in regedit and then we choose registry editor and then we choose yes. We are now going to navigate to the Run MRU folder. So first we expand the HKey current user. And then we expand the software folder. And then we expand the Microsoft folder. And then we expand the Windows folder. And then we expand the current version folder. And then we expand the Explorer folder. And then we click on the Run MRU folder. Highlight everything inside the Run MRU folder except defaults. Then right-click and then choose Delete. And then choose Yes. The history of the Run app is now cleared. We will now open the Run app again and we will see that there are no default text entry this time. In this video we have learned how to clear the history of the Run app. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.